I'm going to try to earn $1.20 per ad being watched in accordance to this particular video. I'm going to follow step by step according to this video and see whether this video is true or not. Alright, so stick around and I'll show you nothing but the truth. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this!
In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made $29.50 in just one day using a brand new money-making app that will pay you a $1.20 for every single ad that you watch for absolutely free. If you just watch 10 ads, you will earn $12, and if you watch 20 ads, you will make about $24, and the list goes on and on. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is type the name of this app in search bar, which is surfy.b. And then, just click on the first link here, or you can also just go to surfy.b/earn. So, this is the app that we're going to be using to make money online from watching ads, without investing any money. Before I show you guys these apps, I first try them myself, to make sure they are legit, just like this one here. And don't worry, if you don't have Payeer, they also offer a lot of other payment methods. All you have to do is just register yourself on the website, and install their extension. Then, after you do that, and have the extension on, it will show banner ads on websites that you visit. Let me real quick even show you an example of how these ads will look like. As for myself, I already have the extension installed. If I go to youtube.com, for example, you will see down here that it's showing me a banner ad from Surfy. Let's do another example. So, if I just go to Google, searching for something, it's showing me again another ad down here. And this is how it works basically. Very simple and straightforward. You're going to have ads that look like this on every website that you visit. The good news is that you don't even have to click on these ads to make money. You will literally get paid for every ad that just popped up. If we scroll down, you can also see how much other people are making here. For example, this person right here just made $24 today. This one just made $31. And the list goes on and on.
Alright, so we are at surfy.be. I think that's how it's being pronounced according to the video. And this website is gonna make us money online without investing. We just have to perform simple tasks and we will be earning money. So how it works is that I think according to the video, basically what it said was that once we register and then after we are done with all the formalities and whatnot, the advertisement will be played at like in a banner form in whichever website that we are using. For example, like at YouTube, or we are just googling around stuff. Advertisement will be played at the bottom of our web page, right, on our website. So we don't really have to interact with it. All we have to do is just to let it run, just let it play, whatever it is, and then you earn money. I think that's how it works. So you can see if it works or not, and if we will be making $1.20 today. At the end of this video, I better make $1.20. That is the goal, and that is what I want out of this video. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and register an account first, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so over here, what the video says is that I have to click on I'm a user over here, and then for this, the video said that we should click over here, which is I've experienced and I've participated in other earning projects. Boom! I have a gift. My rating has increased by 2000 EXP. So that's good. Is that like a translation for money? I don't know. I hope so. Thank you. Alright, so we're done registering and I will resume with the video.
I already made $73 this week. I know this is not much money, but it's just to show you that it's legitimate. I would have definitely made more money if I just give it more time. But overall, this is perfect, especially for beginners, as it doesn't require having any skills or anything like that.
A few moments later.
As you can see, after it's done, I have just earned 30 cents. The amount of money you earn will also depend on what country you're from. First thing you want to do is go here where it says extension, and then install the extension to Google Chrome or one of these other browsers here. Just click on it and it will take us here to Chrome Web Store. As you can see, they already have over 80,000 users and about 1,200 positive reviews. To add the extension, just hit add to Chrome and then click on add extension. As you can see, it says, "Congratulations, the extension is installed." By the way, Surfy is fairly new. Not many people know about it yet, and you better take advantage of it now, before it gets saturated. And after you install the extension, you don't have any more work to do. Now it's going to show you ads on every website you visit on your browser. And if you stick with me till the end of the video, I will also give you my own special trick that I used to earn $73 in less than a week, which is not bad, since I don't have to do any work. Now, you're not going to make thousands of dollars with this, but even if you don't make that much, it's still free money. There's also another way to make money with this app or extension. If you just click on the extension icon, you can see that you can also visit websites on here and make money.
Alright, so according to the video, after we are done registering, what we have to do next in order to start earning the money, to start viewing advertisement, what we have to do is to go over here and install the extension to receive tasks and view banners. So that's what we need to do. I'm going to give it a click over here and get this out of my way. For me, it will be Google Chrome. Whoa! So there's like 100,000 users over here. According to the video, it actually showed only like, I believe, 80,000 users, and this video is like, I think 2 months or 3 months ago. So there's like a 20,000 plus users that has been added onto this extension, I guess, or this platform. So I think that's a good sign. That is definitely a good sign. The future is promising. I'm gonna go ahead and add to Chrome over here. So I've installed the extension. The extension has been installed, and as you can see at the bottom of my web page, right, there's this Russian, I guess, this Russian ad that's being played right now as we speak. So as you can see, I think there's a bar over here as well. There's loading. I think I should be earning money after it's being played. Do I? Ooh, okay. So as you can see over here, I've earned this amount. So I guess it's a good sign. As you can see right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just like hanging out around at this website, at this dashboard. I'm not exactly doing any action. I'm just scrolling up and down, up and down. That's it, right? I'm not exactly, I don't have to do anything. And I'm just letting the ad load by itself. So it seems promising. Like literally, I'm not doing anything. So I guess that's cool. That's cool. Okay, let's go back to the video and see what we have to do next.
Just click where it says start right here. Then all you have to do is just wait a few seconds, about 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and you will get paid for it. Now, they pay much more money for these tasks in people in the US. But if you are not in America, don't worry. I will give you a special trick. What you're gonna need to do is just type in search bar VPN extension and then click on the first result here. This VPN is also completely free. It's going to give you an American IP. All you have to do is install it to your computer and click on add. Once you do that, just select USA from here and click here to turn it on, and you are good to go.
Alright, so according to the video, another way to earn more money from the ads being played at your screen, right, is that if you were to use a VPN and choose the country of America, because apparently for US, they will pay out more money than the other countries. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to open up my VPN and then change it to the US and see if there's any significant difference. Alright, I've turned on my VPN, and from what I see, there's not much difference. I'm gonna give it a quick refresh, and hopefully the rates will go up more, I hope.
If you go to their reviews on Chrome Web Store, you can see that most reviews are positive. Here is what other people are saying about it, and you can see for yourself if it's really worth your time or not. Some people even share how much money they have made. And just a fact that this extension got approved for Chrome Store shows you that it's 100% legitimate and doesn't contain malware or anything like that. Otherwise, it won't be on Chrome Store. If I would have to rate this myself, I would definitely give it at least 8 or 9 out of 10. I also highly recommend that you guys invite more and more people so you can make as much passive income.
I'm at Google right now. So at this Google page, the advertisement is playing as well. The banner is at the bottom of the page. So as I scroll around, it is still being played, right? It's just loading, it loads the advertisement. So as we scroll, as we speak, I'm actually earning money right now. It's just auto-generating, like as you can see over here at the bottom left, this is your amount that you're earning. And another thing that he mentioned is that there's 4 other browsers over here. So if you use Google Chrome, obviously you download the extension for Google Chrome. But if you use these other browsers, this Yandex browser, Firefox or Opera, if you guys have that, you can actually use it and install the extension and just let the advertisement play. I guess that's another way to maximize your earnings according to the video. I guess it works, right? Just to have all of them play at your background with you doing nothing or anything, right? So it's a good thing, that's a good sign. So I guess it is not too bad, but how much can we really earn? You know what I mean? Like, are we really able to earn $1.20 per advertisement? Like, the whole idea of this entire video is whether we can earn $1.20 per advertisement being played. Yeah, so according to the amount that are being showed, so right now is this amount over here, and each time the bar over here it loads finish, it doesn't get to $1.20. It does not, right? So so it's fake. I don't think it's true. I don't think it's true that we are able to earn $1.20 per ad, right? So you know what, guys? So as you can see over here, see, right? I'm not exactly getting $1.20. I believe there's like I've already played a good amount of advertisements already so far. I've probably played like 10 advertisements so far into this video. So I've yet to earn $1. I've yet to. If you just let it run in your background, you can probably earn that amount. But yeah, so to answer the question, to answer the grand question, are you really able to earn $1.20 per ad? No, you can't. You can't. You can't. Because evidently, each ad being played, I'm not being rewarded with $1.20. Well, so I guess it doesn't work. It doesn't work once again, right? Because, like I said, each ad being played is not showing me $1.20. I'm not being rewarded $1.20. So yeah, I don't think this video works. I mean, you can take the time, you can just wait it out, and then just let the amount slowly increase, and then eventually you will get $1.20. But unfortunately, guys, it doesn't work. Alright, so if you guys try this method, let me know in the comment section down below as well, and let me know what other methods you want me to try. And I waste my time so that you will not waste your time. Alright, so on to the next one, I guess. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace!